Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are going to look how we can recharge the credit card payment on Bharatpe app. For that, just open the Bharatpe app. So after opening the app, here we just need to, when we reach on the home page, just scroll down for a bit, and in the payment section we can just see the credit card option right there. Just tap on the credit card option. So in here we can just search for your credit card operator, or we can just choose your credit card, whichever credit card that you need to recharge. So in here, just enter your mobile number right here. Just enter your mobile number right here, registered mobile number, also the last four digits of your credit card right here. So this is where we can pay to any credit card on your Bharatpe app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.